In this video, we are going to solve a word problem that involves square roots. Let's dive right into it. So we are given that an old school TV has a glass square screen with area 500 square inches. Okay, cool. So that kind of, remember when I do word problems, I stop and I translate them. And if you haven't seen me do that before, that's what I'm gonna do. So I stop here and I think, well, I have a drawing that I could make. I could make a square. All right, so let me make a rough square here. I'm just freehanding it. And we're told that the area is 500 square inches. Right, that means that it's this side by that side. Interesting. So I don't know what these lengths are, so we'll call them X and X. And what I also know is to find area, I would multiply the side lengths by each other, right? So you'd have X times X equals 500. This I'm getting all from that first sentence. X times X is the same as X squared equals 500. Let's see what's coming up next. It says, what is the approximate side length of the TV to the nearest square inch? Well, there's some algebra going on here that you'll learn further on down the road in this course. And I'm not going to really go over that algebra now because it's kind of putting the cart before the horse. But here's the idea. We've got that we've multiplied the same side by itself to get 500. To undo multiplying the same number by itself, the opposite direction would be taking the square root. So we will take the square root of 500 to figure out what x is, to undo multiplying x by itself. So x is approximately, well, sorry, it's not approximately, it is equal to the square root of 500. And I'm thinking approximately because that's what's coming up next. The square root of 500 is approximately, well, that's about 22.4. And we're told to give our answer to the nearest inch, so that would be about 22 inches. So 500 square inches sounds like a lot until you realize it's about this much by that much. Not a very big TV. It's all good though. This, folks, is how you translate a decently difficult word problem at this point into something that is more manageable, dealing with square roots. Nice.